In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Translate not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this, I'm using Google Chrome for Google Translate. So we need to go ahead and clear the cache. So to do this, click on your three dots, click into settings. Now, once you're inside of settings, we want to find privacy and security. To the right under privacy and security, you want to go ahead and delete your cookies and cache. So click on that option, click on show more, make sure cached image and files are selected and cookies and other site data, and then click on no more, click on all time as the time region, and then delete data. Now next fix, what we can try, we are in settings still. We want to go ahead and make sure Google Chrome or your web browser is up to date. So click on about Chrome, and as it states, I am up to date. But if it says update or download install, go ahead and do that, and then do a hard refresh on Google Translate by clicking on your keyboard control and F5. That's going to refresh your page, or you can just open up a new tab and see if that fixes your issues. Now the next fix is to go ahead and disable your extensions. So click on extensions, click on manage extensions, disable all your extensions, then come back to Google Translate to see if it works. If it does, that means you've got an extension that's playing up or a bit rogue. So we want to go ahead and enable these one by testing out Google Translate and finding out which one is causing those issues. Also, if you've got any VPNs or proxies running in the background, just go ahead and disable them in the meantime. And the last fix I suggest is using Google Translate in a different browser. So as I stated, I'm in Google Chrome. I can go ahead and use Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, or whatever other browser you have on your PC. And if it does work on the other browser and not the one you're trying to get it to work on, that means you've got a browser related issue. So what I suggest doing is just completely uninstalling that browser, reinstalling it, restart your PC and see if that fixes your issue.